In today's video, I'm going to teach you save a Canva design to a Word document. If you've designed something in Canva and need to hand it off as an editable .docx file for Microsoft Word, this walkthrough will make it simple. Start by opening Canva in your browser and loading the design you want to export. If you're starting fresh, open a document template so your canvas is already set up for a standard page. Having the design open on your screen is all you need. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all the export and collaboration options. From the panel that opens, choose Download. That tells Canva you're ready to create a file you can save to your computer. In the Download settings, click the File Type drop-down. You'll see several formats here, but for Word, you want a .docx file. Select .docx. When you export to docx, Canva does its best to keep text editable and preserve layout. Complex effects or very stylized elements may flatten or shift slightly, so we'll plan to give the file a quick check after download. Before you export, choose the correct page size. Matching the page size to your intended Word document helps avoid unwanted reflow. If your design is built for A4, pick A4. If your audience uses a different standard, choose the size that fits your needs. Keep your document's orientation in mind too. Landscape designs will remain landscape in Word. If A4 is your preferred document size, click A4 to lock that in. This is a common choice for many regions and works well for reports, flyers, and letters. Selecting the right size now means fewer adjustments later and cleaner margins when you print or share. Finally, click Download. Canva will process the design and save a .docx file to your computer. Open it in Word to preview your work. Each Canva page will appear as a separate page in the document, and most text should be editable. Give the file a quick skim for spacing, line breaks, and image placement. Minor differences are normal when moving between design tools and word processors. If something looks off, return to your Canva design, nudge the layout, and export again. That's it. You've successfully saved your Canva design to a Word document, ready to edit, share, or print with confidence.